Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will understand how to connect Instagram lead ads leads to CRM software. So to market my business, I'm running some ads on Instagram to generate new leads. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead, then I want to add that lead as a contact in my Salesforce CRM account. So now to do this, I need to set up a connection between these two applications, for which I'm going to use this amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect follows the concept of trigger and action. So here to do this, my trigger application will be Instagram and my action application will be Salesforce. So here you can use any CRM of your choice like HubSpot, Brevo, etc. So I'm going to use Salesforce. If you want to learn more about this, make sure to follow me through the screen. In this video, we will understand how to connect Instagram lead ads leads to your CRM software so that you can transfer your Instagram leads directly and automatically to your desired CRM software. So here you can see that this here is my Instagram account and I have connected my Instagram account with my Facebook page as well. So this here is my Facebook page. So I'm going to show you that I've connected my account by going to settings. And here I will scroll down and I will go to permissions. Here I will go to linked accounts. So here you can see that my Instagram account and this Facebook page is connected. So using this Facebook page, I'm running some Instagram lead ads. So I'm running some ads on Instagram using which I'm generating new leads. So this here is the campaign which I've created. So now I want that every time a new lead will be generated by using Instagram lead ads, then I want to add the leads in my Salesforce account as a contact. So now to automate this entire process, I'm going to use this amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect, and this here is the landing page. So in order to reach here, you just have to type in pabbly.com/connect in your browser. So over here you can see that I've got two options. One is of sign in and the other one is of sign up for free. So here, as if you have an existing account, you can simply sign in. But if you're a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and now in order to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as connect Instagram lead ads leads to your CRM software. So now over here on my left hand side, you can see that these are the folders which I've created before. So I'm going to save this workflow in the folder named as automation for Instagram. And now here I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I've arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. So basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of a trigger application, and in a workflow you can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now moving to my objective, that is to connect Instagram lead ads leads to your CRM software. So over here you can use any CRM software of your choice like Pipedrive, HubSpot, Brevo and many others. So in this video, I'm going to build a connection between Instagram lead ads and Salesforce. So moving to my trigger window, over here I'm going to search for Instagram lead ads as my trigger application. And the trigger event will be new lead instant. So this trigger will start working whenever a new lead will be generated through Instagram lead ads. So now moving to my action window, as I want to create that lead as a contact in my Salesforce account. So over here, I'm going to use Salesforce as my action application, and the action event will be to create a contact. So over here is the action event. So as you can see that I have selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So my objective is that whenever a new lead will be generated through Instagram lead ads, then I want to create that lead as a contact in my Salesforce account. So now in order to begin with the automation, I'm going to build a connection between Instagram lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, I will click on connect with Instagram lead ads. So here to build a connection, it requires a Facebook account or a Facebook page. So as I've already mentioned that my Facebook page is connected with my Instagram account. So that is why over here, I'm going to click on continue. You also have to make sure that your Facebook account or your Facebook page is connected with your Instagram account in order to make the connection. So now I'm going to click on continue. And here you can see that the authorization was successful. So as you can see that Instagram lead ads and Pabbly Connect is connected. So now moving to the page and the lead gen form. So as I've told you that by using this page, I'm running ads that is by the name of Peak Performance Physio. So over here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to select the page as Peak Performance Physio. So over here, I've selected it. So now after selecting the page, I need to select the lead gen form associated with it. So here in this campaign that I've created, so I've already added a instant lead gen form that is by the name of Instagram lead ads. So I'm going to use this lead gen form. So that is why over here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to select the lead gen form as Instagram lead ads. So as I've selected the page and the lead gen form associated with it, now I'm going to click on save and send test request in order to capture the lead over here in Pabbly Connect. So over here you can see that it is waiting for a webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So now taking you to my Meta Ads Manager account. So over here you can see that the campaign is in draft mode. So as this is not a live campaign, that is why I'm going to generate a test lead to show you the response. But if you are running some live campaign, then also you have to follow the same process, and whenever you're going to receive a new lead, then automatically the lead will get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So as my campaign is in draft mode, I'm going to generate a test lead by using Meta Lead Ads Testing Tool. So by using Meta Leads Ads Testing Tool, you can generate some test leads so that you can get the response over here in Pabbly Connect. So here under Meta for Developers, this here is the Lead Ads Testing Tool. So to reach here, we have already created a video for this on a YouTube channel. You can check that out. So here in Meta for Developers Lead Ads Testing Tool, I'm going to create a test lead so that the lead could be captured in Pabbly Connect. So over here, I've already selected my page that was Peak Performance Physio, and I've selected the form as well, which I'm going to use. And now I'm going to click on Preview Form. So over here in this lead gen form, I have filled in the details of first name, last name, email, phone number, and the company name. So after filling in these details, I'm going to submit this lead gen form. So here you can see that it says, thanks, you're all set, your test lead has been sent. That means the test lead which I've just created would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So taking you to Pabbly Connect, and yes, over here you can see that I have received the response, and here in the response you can see this is the first name, last name, email, phone number, company name, along with the created date and time. So that means the lead which I've just created is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So the first step of this automation is set up. That means now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead, then automatically that lead will get captured over here in Pabbly Connect, and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as I've got the lead details, now by using the details, I wish to create a contact in my Salesforce account. So in order to do that, I'm going to build a connection between Salesforce and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to add a new connection, and now I'm going to click on Connect with Salesforce. I've already opened Salesforce in one of the tabs. So here I'm going to allow the access because this is a secure access. And the authorization was successful. So here you can see that Salesforce and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now moving to these details. So here to mention the details in these fields, I'm going to use a method that is called as mapping. So basically mapping means to insert the data from previous steps. So as I've received these details from the previous step, so that is why over here in these fields, I'm going to map it. So now I'm going to map the email. So this here is the email, I have mapped it. So as I've mapped the details which I've received from the previous response, so this method of mapping is important so that every time you're going to receive a new response, so that response could be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information could have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So as I've mapped the details, from this drop down, you can select the lead source as well. So I'm going to select the lead source as web, and now here I'm going to click on save and send test request. So over here you can see that I have received a response, and this here is a positive response because an ID has been generated. That means this lead would have been created as a contact in my Salesforce account. So now I'm going to take you to my Salesforce account. So here in Salesforce under contacts, you can see that a new contact has been created by the name of latest deal lead. So over here you can see the name, here you can see the lead source, this here is the phone number, and this here is the email. That means the lead which I have received is successfully created as a contact in my Salesforce account. So this automation was a successful one. That means now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Instagram lead ads, then automatically that lead will be created as a contact in Salesforce. So here you can use any other CRM of your choice. So I've used Salesforce in my scenario. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications and create amazing automations by using Pabbly Connect. So you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write us to https://forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing related issues, you can visit this link. So you can create a lot more automations by using Pabbly Connect, and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more.